In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove users in HubSpot. We'll start with adding a new user. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Profile and Preferences. When the Profile and Preferences page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side. In that left panel, find and click on Users and Teams. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your HubSpot account. On the Users and Teams page, you'll see a button that says Add Users. Click that, and a small drop-down will appear asking whether you want to create new users or import them. Import is useful if you're bringing in a lot of users at once from a file, but for this walkthrough, we'll choose the option to create a new user. The page will reload, and you'll see a field where you can type the email address of the person you want to invite. If you need to invite more than one person, type the first email, press enter on your keyboard, and then type the next one. You can repeat this as many times as you need. When all the email addresses are added, click Next at the bottom right. Now you'll set the seat assignment. This is essentially what level of access and tools the user will get. You can choose from options like View Only, Core, or Developer, depending on what they need to do in your account. After that, you'll set seat permissions. Here you can choose to use the default seat permissions, make the user a super admin, start with a template, or build their permissions from scratch. Take a moment to make sure this matches the responsibilities they'll have. When you're ready, click Next again. The page will load and show you a summary of the new user or users you're about to create. Review the details, and if everything looks good, click Create User at the bottom right. Wait for the page to reload, then click Done. You'll be taken back to your main users list, where your new user should now appear. Next, let's look at how to remove a user. On your users list, find the person you want to remove and hover your mouse over their row. An Actions button will appear. Click that, then choose Deactivate User. A pop-up will show you what deactivation means, such as losing access to the account. If you're sure, click Deactivate User. The page will reload and open that user's information page, and you'll see that their status is now set to User Deactivated. To fully remove them, go to the top right of this page, click the Actions button again, and select Remove from Account. Another confirmation pop-up will appear to double-check that you want to do this. And click Confirm, and the user will be permanently removed from your HubSpot account. And that's it. You now know how to add new users, adjust their access, and safely deactivate and remove users from HubSpot.